Let's do a very rudimentary planning for prelims 2026. If you're starting preparation now, you're trying to organize right now, from now you have 4 months, and that will be about 120 days, and 120 days I can break up into roughly about 17 weeks. Now 17 weeks I want to break up into 3 parts: 1, 2 and 3. Last इसमें 2 हफ्ते जो रखेंगे, I will keep these last 2 weeks in reserve. What is this reserve? This is just something that I don't know what I will be left with or what problems I'll face. So therefore last 2 weeks I'm just going to keep for revision of whatever is pending. 17 weeks में बचे 15. I want to break it into 2 parts: 10 weeks and 5 weeks. So this is where you should be doing your first reading. First reading में क्या करना है? Here I'm only giving section tests, right? I'm not giving full tests while I'm doing the first reading in these 10 weeks. When I come to these 5 weeks, that is when I start my first revision and full length tests. A very simple breakdown of कि भाई कब मुझे section test देने हैं, full test देने हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि till the time I'm not done reading of these particular subjects, if I give tests, I'll score low marks and then I'll feel demotivated. Now there is the secondary question of कि भाई क्या 10 हफ्ते में सारी चीजें हो भी सकती हैं? तो 10 weeks is equal to 70 days, right? You have 7 subjects, 10 days per subject. अब इससे ज़्यादा अगर आप समय ले रहे हो यहाँ पे, तो you also have to keep in mind that your competition is intense. You have to, pick up the slack. अगर 10 दिन में आपको लगता है सब्जेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, तो you have to increase the number of hours. अगर 7 घंटा पढ़ रहे हो, 10 दिन में नहीं हो रहा है, 8 घंटा पढ़ो, 9 घंटा पढ़ो. इतना मेहनत आपको करनी पड़ेगी if you want to stand a chance to clear prelims 2026. तो basic planning, there you have it.